Today we'll be learning how to make a graph in Excel. Open up the Excel worksheet containing the data you want to make into a graph. Then you select the data you want to turn into a graph. Let's try this. Now you click on the Insert tab at the bottom of the screen, at the top of the screen, and you select different types of graphs you want here. You can choose a column graph, a line graph, a pie graph, a bar chart or a bar graph, an area graph, a scattered graph. You can also select other options. It could be any of these. You can also choose to customize your graph as you want. So let's take an example using a bar graph. You select how you want it to display. You can choose to change the title here. You click on the title and you input the title you so desire. You can change the color of the graph to your desired color. You can also click the change chart type here to access how you want your graph to show. You can adjust the size. You can change the chart layout. You can save templates and many other lovely styles you want to decorate your graph with. So that is how you make or create a graph in Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more video tips. Bye guys.